Well, good morning, motherfucker. So I realized, I looked at the damn weather report, weather forecast today. There's a problem with my frickin' training schedule. That problem is that frickin' nature is not on my schedule. You know what I mean? It's unpredictable. Whole week, planning on climbing outside Sunday with some friends. Going out of town and everything. And yes, I know my hair is crazy right now. I just woke up to the shower, didn't comb it yet. But the whole friggin' week, man. Clear weather. Wake up today. Take a look. Storms. Today and tomorrow. Fuck. Messed my plans up, dude. So it made me realize I need to be an opportunist when it comes to outdoor climbing. When the weather's good, I gotta be out there. Now, nature's not gonna conform to my schedule. I don't really want to conform to nature's schedule either, so I'm still gonna keep the glute ham raises on Wednesday, the one-arm pull-ups on Friday. Once I get the thick bar delivered, it's coming from like the freaking UK, so no idea when that's gonna be here. Probably in a few weeks. Could be longer. Who knows? International mail is also unpredictable. But when that gets here, I'll probably be doing that on Monday or Tuesday. Haven't decided yet. Those three things I want to have, like, static, you know what I mean? So I can kind of get into a routine and have, like, almost like a deadline for these exercises, Where, like, I know I need to be recovered well enough by the time the next day comes so that I can perform well and maintain a linear progression as much as I can. But what I'll probably do is, regardless of whether it's Monday, Wednesday, or Friday or whatever, I gotta do these exercises, I'm gonna be climbing anyway. But since I want to focus on the strength training, right, that's gonna be my focus for the next few months at least, I'm gonna prioritize it, right? Fucking ran into a spider web. Damn it. Then when I climb, I need to have the discipline to not, project like crazy and wear myself out. So what I'm gonna probably do is what we call flash and pass. So if I don't climb something on the first try, I move on to the next thing. Okay. This one sure won't have any kind of overuse issues, Like I had to pretty much quit projecting what do we call it? The ultimate, the long V8 at Hurricane Creek, because I was getting the same positions over and over and over and trying so hard that I was starting to have aches and pains when entering those positions, like overuse, getting close to overuse injury pretty much. So I want to avoid that by simply just only trying once. Okay? And I think this will be an interesting experiment too, because I'm a tryhard and I could probably get project all fucking day. even if I'm not making progress, I'll just keep throwing myself at a rock, you know what I mean? So it'll be interesting to see. Maybe not projecting will cause me to progress, since I am going to be gaining general strength potentially without the aches and pains that I would get from just freaking, trying one move for like 3 hours or whatever. So it should be interesting. I have a feeling it may even be more productive to sending a boulder project than actual projecting. We'll see. It'll be a new stimulus, which is the whole point. If you see me switch on my training frequently, typically I'll do something the same for a month, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months max. Then I'll start doing something else, and the reason being, because if you do if you do the same shit all the time, again, you're gonna wear yourself out. You gotta mix it up for the sake of body maintenance and like general freaking health. I'm out here picking up dog shit. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say, to be honest. Still gonna climb somewhere Sunday. The conditions are indeed fucky. We got wet rocks, and there's a gym I've not been to in Hoover that has a really good reputation, called B2. It might go to instead. We'll see. Didn't really want to do gym climbing, but it is what it is. It'll be an interesting new experience regardless. Anyway, hope you all have a great Labor Day weekend. Keep crushing out there. I think I'm finally done picking up dog shit. So end the video here. And I will freaking start my day, comb my hair, get dressed. Maybe cut a little grass. And fucking chill. I got Dungeons and Dragons tonight, boy. About to get into a fight too. It's gonna be good. Peace out.